this truck.
Retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the time's bust. Out the window like cuss. On the hood of the scraper like.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back at it again with another lit video, you guys. So today, man, we over here at AutoZone. Y'all see I got the Chevelle out. About to go for a ride in the Chevelle. Let me go ahead. All right, so guys, what I just bought was some zip ties and some of these little things y'all been telling me to get for this door handle to go on there. So I'll be trying to do that today. The reason why I got the zip ties on, because I noticed when I looked underneath, that's what they had on here, these little zip ties or whatever. They had these little thin ones. So I'm about to, I guess, get this back up there with the zip ties. I guess that's how it was hanging or on there. So that's what I'm about to do. What the heck is this? I don't know what they have, but then we're gonna go with some thing. Hold on. Oh, that's how they had the sides on there. What the heck? How the hell they had this? I don't know. But you know me, I'm about to ride over there and act helpless and have my boy Richard help me out. We'll figure it out. Plus, I never even showed him this car, so this car never made it over there to Redemption Speed Shop. Plus, I wanted to show it off and have him look under the hood and show him my goodies up under the hood. So yeah, I had to bring her out, man. I was like, man, if I don't, I'm about to grab like that. I'm thinking I'm in the Monte Carlo. Cars are so much similar, similar. But this thing sits way different. It sits higher up. They feel like different cars because the stance on this car, and I love this suspension. I got the factory suspension with the higher springs on it. Someone's gonna tell me, I think you said you need to drop it down some. Like, nah, I actually like it sitting up. Everyone got their own preference, y'all. Everyone got their own preference. You know, I want to throw rims on all my car, and then another thing, I want to keep all factory. I like the white letters. You know what I mean? I like the ride comfortability. I like how I'm able to get sideways, not worry about messing my transmission up or running into potholes. Like getting down through there, man. You know what I'm saying? But like driving, you know what I'm saying? Hey, kick it in gear. We mobbing. All right, guys, let me slow it down, man. See, we're really be trying to get a ticket or anything like that. But yeah, guys, let's get it. So, guys, I'm about to pull up over to Richard, and they ain't never, like I said, they ain't never seen this car before. I want to pull up on them. I'm like, what the hell? I didn't even tell them I was coming out here, but I want to check on my eye route, make sure they ain't just sitting outside. Oh, they got it in there. They got it inside. That's right. Let's see. What up? What up?
What up?
Popped up on your ass.
Yeah.
What's going on? What's going on, Richard?
What's happening?
Oh, nothing. My fans kick on. Oh, yeah.
It's nice that I'm busting a good looking one.
Oh, yeah, man. I had to, man. I had to show. Like, man, let me show Richard. I was like, man, I ain't never showed you it. Well, let me show Richard. Yeah, I know I know it ain't running hot.
Nah.
That thing cut on, shut off, right, it's on point. And they used the factory radiator. So, you know, it came with the big block. We got the big block. It had the big block on it.
Who did the wiring on this one?
I bought it like this.
Oh, you bought it like this?
Yeah. We said he spent 20 grand over getting this block.
He did it right.
Yeah. Mike should put some headers on that thing too. And an X pipe. Cause you know my 87 Monte Carlo sound way more meaner. he like, yeah. Let's see what he got going on. He said, God damn headers.
Oh, that was a nightmare, bro.
It was a nightmare. Oh man. Oh yo, you already start putting one on it? How you pause that? Turn that down. They be trying to get me on copyright. How you turn it down? The radio, how you turn it down? You know what I'm trying to? Oh, there you go. Woo, woo, woo. Damn, that thing looks like, damn, it cleared out a whole bunch.
Yeah.
Damn, that's crazy. Before you can't even see nothing, nothing in that corner. Damn, you got that thing in there. Damn.
There's a lot of room gained.
Damn, I know, right? Compared to that.
Compared to that junk?
Oh, hell yeah. Because you could do a tune-up better now.
Oh, we need to do plugs anyways.
Oh, okay. You took them out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they're a little crunchy.
Yeah. I'm not
Looks like
sure.
they've been in there since 87.
Oh, damn. Damn.
And some like OEs.
Damn. You got a haircut?
No.
Oh.
I just freestyled it.
Oh, okay.
It's that under a hood style.
Ah, damn. God.
There's your pile of shit sitting back there. It came off so far that side.
Damn. Weight reduction, huh? What's going on?
What up? I saw the
Oh, yeah. I had to bring it out one time.
looks pretty good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This exhaust got it off of it.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the one? Oh, okay.
That's the one that was on the car.
God damn.
Funky ass setup.
I wonder what you gotta do to make it do. Well, no, because on that style of that muffler.
What I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to bring the exhaust down, hunch it back up, and then run it over, run this one over into a Y.
Okay. Yeah, because the Y on these cars is made for this. It's kind of hard to.
Yeah.
That's your why.
Yeah.
That's the original Y.
So you're gonna change the Y?
Why did we roll it around the fucking control arm? I don't know.
So you're gonna change the direction you're going?
Yeah.
So you're
They-
But I am gonna make it to where
They can't go down the passenger side like that one.
I'm gonna make it still to where you can disconnect it from the car. Where you
okay.
can drop from the headers to the back of the pipe. So that section will drop down the way. If the
Okay.
tranny ever has to be pulled,
Okay.
somebody can unbolt it and it'd be easy
Okay.
deal.
So you're gonna do it
I don't
right.
want to be a dickhead to anybody,
Yeah, because that's the.
especially if I end up having to do it in training.
Yeah, exactly. Shit, I'm bringing that shit right over here. Y'all painting the engine thing?
Gas tank
Oh, gas thing. Hell
for
yeah.
Danny's motorcycle.
Oh, okay.
Check out the pearl in this shit.
Oh, hell yeah. That's it hitting. Hell yeah. Look good. Man, you got the header in there. I was surprised you had a header in there. I didn't think you had it in there.
Oh, yeah, I got one.
Yo,
We on
well.
Uno.
Hell yeah, and then you got the. Hell yeah, then
the
this.
smog pump, all
We're going
shit
with this.
removed.
What's this?
So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to pull this. I'm gonna have to follow that hose over to the other side, which it should go over to that pipe there.
Uh-huh.
The only thing I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to cap off the vacuum. That's all I
Okay.
should have to do. But everything else should come off.
I'll cap out the vacuum.
I'll have to cap
and then
off
you
the
can cap
vacuum.
out the
and then
vacuum.
I'll have to cap off.
You can
this
cap
one
out the
here.
vacuum back this way, huh? Or
Yeah,
you gonna leave
I
that
can
one?
snip it back here and block it.
Oh, okay. What about the plugs? What you think about the plug now?
Man, I think I'm gonna see if I can order you a set of baby blue cut to fit wires.
They got some?
Header wires. I should be able to find you a set.
Some wires for those ones?
All new plug wires. That way they're not all fucking just screwed out of the place.
Yeah.
It'll look nice, clean. They'll roll in.
They got some blue ones?
I think I can find some baby blue ones.
Well, I mean,
Let
this
me
truck
know.
over here's got blue.
Let me know. Oh, for real? Let me see.
It's got different, almost knows that one's got. It's
Oh.
got blue ones.
Oh, shit. Oh, hell yeah.
I'm sure they have blue.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can find some baby blue ones. Yeah.
They
Hell yeah.
ain't got blue ones. What color you want?
You go, what, you gonna pay some shit?
No, I'm
Thanks.
just saying, if they ain't got blue ones, I know they got black, red, and gray. And yellow.
Either blue or either black.
Blue or black.
For black will look good because it either blue or black.
So, you gonna pull that intake off and paint it too?
What?
You gonna pull that intake off and
That-
paint it too?
Probably later. Another
I think
time.
it'd look good.
Oh, for, and the valve covers and the intake.
I do valve covers black, intake blue.
Oh, okay. Hell yeah.
And offset it just a little bit.
Hell yeah.
I think it'd make it look good.
Yeah, eventually. It's a process. You know how it goes. The progress. It should be costing. It should be costing. Even you working on the car, that shit still cost. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It ain't just the labor, because you do your own work, but it's the
Oh, I've got
them parts. I know.
a lot of money tied into mine, not including labor.
Hell yeah.
What do you want? Over there.
What's up?
For a Mustang,
Oh, Mustang.
H-pipe,
H-pipe.
all bolt together.
Oh yeah. I think I got it at home.
There you go.
Is it in there?
That's it.
Is it?
That's it.
Okay. Hey,
It's
is
just
it
in a
right?
groove. That's all it does.
Oh.
Get it slid on.
Okay.
It don't come off.
Okay. Yeah.
It just sits in the groove, holds it in there.
Okay, and then the other thing hides
The other
everything.
thing will slide
Okay.
up top.
Okay. I'll put that on. Appreciate that. That was easy. Yeah, I've been dreading to even do that little stuff. To put this chin spoil. This is what I'm talking about. I don't know if you got a better way to put this on there than these zip ties. I seen some zip ties on there. They put the little small ones. Then he had like, I don't know what the hell this was that he put right
He
there.
had pop rivets in it. He tried to pop rivet it.
That shit
Ain't
didn't
gonna
work.
work. Man, almost need to.
The zip ties is all loose, so we can put those two zip ties on that.
Yeah,
I don't know.
We can zip tie it.
Huh?
We can zip tie it.
Yeah. That's why I bought these ones. These ones way thicker. These ones way thicker. You need a,
I don't know if those are gonna fit between the hole.
you don't think so?
Yeah, I mean, they ain't going in that hole. The holes in the bumper are smaller.
Oh,
Yeah, those are smaller holes.
well, we can, yeah. Well, let's get these other ones. They don't fit in these ones. I know. Oh, smaller.
We got small holes drilled in the bumper.
Oh, so this one, we got to put, okay.
Yeah, I'll have to get you some different zip ties.
You got thinner ones?
Oh, yeah. They'll get the pair of those before I tighten them down.
Yeah, that shit is way better.
To do with this Mustang senior videos.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. We're
Oh.
talking about it.
Oh, what Mustang he got?
This one over here.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Oh, he from out this way?
Oh, there he is.
Oh, he came in and had y'all do some work.
We're fixing to.
Oh, okay. I've been trying to tell everyone to come over here. I told everyone this is where I'm coming now, so. Yeah, so you want people that you want to get the VIP treatment, get right in here. Yeah, come on. What y'all guys doing to that one?
H-pipe on it.
Oh, extra. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I think I want to put I want to put an X pipe on here and then header later on this car. But if I start touching this car, I'm gonna put make some more money. Oh. That should look good already over here. Know about these old cars, Richard?
Oh, you know me. I'm all about these old schools.
Yeah. Hey, it's cheaper to touch other people's old schools, huh?
You ain't lying. You ain't lying, brother.
I'll just have the enjoyment of spending other people's money and touching their cars instead of you having your own, because that shit hitting them pockets.
I spend too much money on mine.
Oh, you're like, yeah.
Yeah, I've already got way too much money in my car.
Hell yeah, you come out cheaper just enjoying other people's old schools.
Hey, let me borrow yours for a weekend.
Get it out your system and then you're like, okay, I'm good now.
Like, all right, I'm good. I ain't got to drop nothing.
Oh, hell yeah. So this one tightened up?
That's tight. Look good on that.
Oh yeah, I appreciate it, man.
Always, brother.
You want to hold those, you might use them or something.
Probably use one of yours.
That's why I'm trying to hurry up and get it in. I ain't gonna move it again.
Hell yeah, y'all see it, man. I come in here, get VIP treatment, didn't call nothing. Like, man, can you, the little stuff, man. I know I could have did some of this stuff myself, but hey, he got me, man. That's why I said, man, if y'all want any work done, y'all come over here to Redemption Speed Shop, man. The number's right there. 459312684. You know what I mean? Like I said, I wouldn't be shouting them out if I don't rock with them like that, man. I rock with them. They look out for me, man. So, like the little simple stuff, man. I just pulled in, man. Now, this been like this for a whole year. Okay? Came right in here, got it done. I can get in and get out. The simple stuff, man. Then I got my little thing sitting there right, looking good, you know what I'm saying, man? Shout out to Richard and the crew, you know what I mean? Y'all see over here, we got the headers on the IROD. We getting down to business, y'all. So, getting down to business. I'm excited, man. Ooh, I'm excited. I can't wait. Hell yeah.
Yeah, next thing I gotta do is remove the AC compressor.
Oh, that's what you got to move
I
that?
gotta pull it up, slide it over to the side, and start pulling everything down that side.
Hell yeah.
Got rid of a little bit of weight.
Hell yeah.
Got rid of the nasty old manifolds.
Oh, the spark plug. Do you think I should change the spark? Might as well, huh?
You might as well.
Might as well change the spark plug.
Nasty.
Especially while you already got
Let me
it.
see if I can find you a set of cut to fit wires. If I can find
What's
them
cut
in the
to
baby
fit?
blue. To where I measure the length,
Uh-huh.
I cut them, and I make them.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I make my own plug wires.
Off rough? Yeah, see if you can find some baby blue something.
Yeah.
Like it look. Cause on that one, oh, where's that truck at? Oh, that on that truck, those are like,
Oh,
look
yeah,
at like,
this one's.
this kind of like those little,
Yeah.
they're like this color, like that
Yeah,
blue.
purple.
That blue is
Let's
purple.
see if I can find you a set of baby blue cut
Yeah.
to fit. You know, something to accent the motor a little bit.
Yeah. Dress it up a little bit. Oh yeah. He said I should do the valve covers black and do like the intake the same color as this color, blue.
What you do is you'll set a little bit of stuff in here inside the ridges,
Yeah.
and then paint the top blue, and then you'll peel this back up and leave it silver. That way it matches all your
Yeah.
accents across the bottom of the car,
Yeah.
all your ribs.
Yeah. That would look clean. Hell yeah. I'm loving it. I'm excited. Raggedy mother.
Yeah, you ain't lying.
Raggedy.
Did
you see where that-
Snap the fucking bolt off the bottom?
Oh, okay. Did you see where it was leaking from? Where, this
That
one?
bottom corner,
Where?
leaking from here
Uh-huh.
and on the back. So that bolt
Uh-huh.
goes off in there.
Oh, okay. So leaking from,
They're
oh.
leaking from the manifold and that collector. That bolt is welded off in there.
Oh, that thing, man, it seemed like my thing was ticking and tapping like, man, make it sound right. I pull up looking good, ticking, tacking. Did my sister's part, is it on its way or?
It should be on its way. Hopefully it'll be here today.
Okay, yeah, she called me.
I
I'll pull up over there. So, yeah. Pull up. Yeah, I just got off the phone with her before I came up here.
I'll take care of the fam.
Hell yeah. Yeah, she dropped me out the other day. That thing was kick click. I was like, she said, I seen you looking when I rolled off. All of that rag, that shit sounds so damn raggedy. Like, man, it just sounds raggedy. I said, man, you should have got a Chevy. She's like, man, I almost got it paid off. Like, man, you trade that shit in. So I was trying to tell her, like, trade that shit in. Get a Malibu or something. Tahoe. Get Tahoe. Shit. Yeah, you need to get Tahoe.
She look like a Tahoe chick.
Yeah, she need to get Tahoe. Like,
Tahoe,
died.
Denali.
Hell yeah. She just got that car and got excited and just went for the first thing.
She's like, oh, all-wheel drive, Hemi.
Hell yeah. Yeah, she should just get a Tahoe, really. That's what she should have.
That's what she needs. She needs a Tahoe.
Yeah.
She needs that Denali edition, though.
Hell
She
yeah.
didn't see you for
Oh,
the
yeah,
Denali.
yeah. She liked the luxury shit.
6'2".
Yep. 6'2". There you go. 6'2". Okay, can't delete. Oh. So you have to just bolt that. Oh, okay, I see. Delete them cats.
Swap the O2 to the new pipe.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, and then to make an H pipe, those connect, huh? Oh, yeah.
Sits like this on that side. This one sits like this side.
Oh, make an H pipe. Oh.
Slide together.
Oh, yeah. Think H pipe is better than the X pipe?
And this is hardware for it, but probably got a weld that, I guess. They ain't got no clamp or anything.
Oh, man. All for that center? Yeah. I got welded. That's gonna sound good. Ooh, yeah. Hey, I ride around with that camera on my lap, ready to pick it up to record. You feel me? I get that pole on my lap, ready to record and bust it out on them. Like, bam, bam, bam. Check, 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 checking it out. Man, I got so many. Go ahead, blow that goddamn Tahoe up. He did all that just to be stuck at this light. Yeah, he did all that to be stuck at the light. Okay, okay. Yes, it's too goddamn expensive to be doing all that. But anyways, guys, we're gonna pull up over here to holler at Pops, man. I'm out in the Chevelle, man. It's a little bit later in the daytime. Hours have passed. Oh, what's going on, man? I was about to cuss you out, man. I'm like, who the hell just pulled out in front of me like that?
I knew it was a slow Chevelle.
Oh, yeah? Man.
How you been looking?
Good, good, good.
Yeah?
Yep.
That's good. I see you, man.
All right. Oh, yeah, man. Shout out to Chaco, man, right over here, man. This is my guy. I was about to cuss. I was like, man, who done pulled out? But I kind of figured it was him, right? No, man. He didn't. He got, I forgot what kind of truck that is. Nice truck, though. But yeah, guys. We're about to go over here and holler at Pops. Yeah, make it do what it do, baby. I'm just enjoying life right now, man. I'm out in the Chevelle. Every time I drive the Chevelle, it makes me want to keep the Monte Carlo, the 72 Monte Carlo. Or every time when I drive the 72 Monte Carlo, it makes me want to keep it. God damn. The only reason why I be wanting to sell them is to, of course, get money, to put in other bills, but also to keep me from spending money on the project. But it's like, damn, why quit when you're already almost done? You know what I mean? Well, I get the carburetor on there, got the new carburetor, new headers, new brake boosters, all that good stuff to make it run right. New fuel tank, the trunk is good, and that car is pretty much there. You know what I mean? So it is what it is, baby. So I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm very indecisive. So don't mark my word for none of it. If I keep it, sell it, none of that. I can't promise y'all nothing. I'm gonna keep it this day. I'm gonna keep it for an hour, and then the next hour, I wanna sell it. I'm all over the place, man, so only time will tell. But I got big plans for my 87, man. Hey, shout out to my dog, Swag Gatsby, man. It costs zero to shout out other YouTubers, man. Go ahead. If y'all guys have it, he be building those Monte Carlo G bodies over there, man. Y'all go over there and check his channel out. Swag Gatsby, man. Just got off the phone with him. He was like, man, I'll go with that Rep It Blue. He said, man, that color is so different. Y'all know my goddamn way. He said, it's so different. He said, I ain't seen in Monte Carlo that color. I'm like, damn, you know how to do it. And he was just telling me that, man, it's your brand, man. So, you know, you wanted to stand out. So yeah, shout out to him giving me that advice. I'm like, man, and then he was telling me how I could get the interior redone and all that. Like, you know what? We're gonna have a full build. I think that's what I wanna do. Cause I did interior before, but this is like when I was like 18, 19, like 20, I used to do interior all the time, but I got to find out who do interior out here that can redo the dash, and I found the guy that do the seats, but I want all that, I want that Rep It Blue up in that thing, you know what I mean? Just like the C8 Corvette. We're going blue interior, blue outside. Oh my gosh, man. And then, should I show y'all? Let me show y'all. Nah, should I show y'all or make it a surprise? Cause there's this, man, forget that, man. Cause some people gonna pay attention, some people not. Let me show y'all what, I'm talking about one with. Man, y'all tell me. Go with that blue with these 22 inches and these them honeycombs that look like the Monte Carlo SS rims. Oh yeah, man. I got a vision in my head, man. I gotta make it come to life. It's gonna cost some money, but you know what I mean. There's nothing to a boss player. Hey, what they say? Grind harder, and smarter. And that's what I'm about to do, man. We're about to turn up. And I was like, forget it. Forget going the cheap route. We going all out. Forget going the cheap route, Luck. We going all out. We about to ball out. Over here. I'll see. Roll the car back there. Pull up to the curb. I gotta stop coming around these parts of town, man. I'll be seeing y'all in the comments talking about this. He said, damn, little girls be coming out the woodworks. This one right here, this is funny. You alright? What you doing? You chilling?
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Alright. Yeah. What are you doing with that?
Putting it upstairs.
For what?
Because there's a upstairs. Going upstairs.
With that? What you about to use that for?
Here's my foundation.
You trying to build a clubhouse? Foundation? Yeah, alright. You still need that? They be tripping. Let me stop messing around with them. Bet that. That's a little bet that, huh, Pops?
I'm a little bet that. That's cool. Oh, cool.
Bet that.
Bet that.
Bet that. Bet that. Bet that.
Bet that.
Why you look like that? What up, bro? What up, half day? Where you get that from?
What?
Your little jacket, man.
Man, you know what I'm saying?
Boss player, man. You know what I'm saying? Bet that. Bet that. What up, Pops?
Hey,
What the hell?
when you fall.
What's that? You got bull crap on your mind, Pops. You need this. Whoa.
I'm always shooting and booting, man.
Pops, bet that. Come on, bro. You ready to go on deck?
Yeah.
You want an old school?
What type?
Huh?
What type?
Old school like that. You ain't ready for that, huh?
It depends though.
Go drive it.
That one? Nah. Bullshit, man.
That's a fit right there, man.
Nah, dude.
You enjoying your car though? You enjoying it? Would you do anything else or you not? No. You been everywhere in it? You went to the lake in it? You went to the north side already? Oh, so this is going. Hell yeah, smooth. You gotta check those fuses. Oh, you ain't put that much gas in it. I mean, use that many miles.
Gas like that.
Yeah, cause it was still, I filled it up.
Man, this motherfucker way different from the truck though.
Yeah. Got rid of that truck too.
For real?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got rid of it a few hours ago. Got rid of it. Told that truck to get.
With everything in it?
I just feel.
Yeah.
The person didn't even care about that stuff though. That's the thing. I'm like, yeah, I could have just. They just wanted a truck. They had a Dodge. They got rid of their Dodge and they got that. Bet that.
Something like them Chevys, so they're probably 4.3 run.
Why y'all throw these on the ground and then y'all want them? Yeah. Bet that.
Well, you find me something new yet?
Huh?
Find me something new yet?
Nah, yeah. I ain't nothing out you, man.
I need some work, man.
Get this finish this and then. Come on, Pops, what you doing?
What you think I can do to it to bring some more
Oh
value?
shit. I got another girl.
What you think I can do
Who's
to
that?
bring more value?
Supposed
That's
to.
one of them.
That girl got no teeth. She don't got no teeth.
That's how Pop like it, shit.
Huh?
She had blood.
Oh, bro, I was taking advantage of that girl. Why?
He gonna make it
Wait.
see.
He
Man,
gonna
make it see light again.
I was crazy. Pop's a wild boy. Pop, bet that. Pop, bet that.
Nah, but this motherfucker ride smooth though.
Oh yeah?
Like, I ain't looking at every pothole, every corner.
Bet that.
Break it down.
Bet
Break it down. Break it down. Bet that. Bet that. Bet that. Bet that. Bet that. Bet that. Bet that.
Bet that. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. Say bet that. Right here. Say bet that. Right here. Say bet that.
Bet that. Bet that. Bet that.
I'm gonna jump in line.
Oh man, come on, man. You about to go to the movie spot?
Oh, yeah.
What y'all about to watch?
We getting away from the
You just going to the movies and just
what?
to sit in the parking lot and not watch nothing?
and get fucked up all
Man, you
night.
could go to the empty park and pay nothing to sit and you just want to sit in the park.
Hello, man.
We could be looking at our phone and you just sit in the park. You don't know what you're watching.
That
Retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the time's bust. Out the window like, cuss. On the hood of the scraper like.